Hi, Namaste, greetings. It's me, Krista, with KristaJClark.com and ArtisticVegan.com. And I am here in Rishikesh for yoga teacher training. I've been doing an update series, and I have completed 2 weeks now of yoga teacher training successfully. I've got 2 to go, and actually the first 2 have gone by so quickly that I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I've got to get a little bit more serious in these last 2 weeks and study a little bit more and play a little bit less. Last weekend I went to the Beatles Ashram. It was absolutely fantastic. I had the most magical day exploring. Freedom. That's really good. And today I think I'm going to do maybe half exploring, half studying, if I can be responsible enough. If not, then I'll explore and study in the evenings in the future. So that is my plan. And so far, the first week, we were kind of, a little bit of integration, what to expect, getting into the groove of things. And the second week, we already knew kind of our schedule, what to do. And it increasingly got a little bit more intensive. Our Swami actually did leave the first week, and so it's been run by his staff, which has been fantastic. And we've had a different philosophy teacher, which is nice because everyone delivers information differently. So now we get more than one perspective. And we've also started learning anatomy as well. And with my background in structural integration and Gravity Body Academy, I have prior knowledge. So what maybe in the past would have been terrifying and scary is going in a new layer of understanding and received very, very well. So I'm excited to learn more and get a different perspective. And as far as the yoga practice goes, they've increasingly made it more intense. In the Ashtanga series, we're going through, we've now gone through the entire thing, whereas in the beginning we did maybe just a standing sequence, and now we've gone through all the way to the closing sequence. And the teachers definitely like to see if you can go a little bit harder, a little bit further, a little bit stronger. So you kind of have to be responsible and listen to your body on what your limits are and express them. If not, you may go beyond what you knew was possible, which is also very fun. And then in the Hatha classes, they've gotten increased with the strength and the flexibility. Where, wide-legged splits and other various postures, bringing the back of your foot to your head, if you can. Of course, it's within everyone's realm of possibilities within your own physical body, just like it would be in any practice. So it's been, that side of things been really great. Philosophy I just adore. I've actually been healing things in my heart that caused maybe unnecessary suffering, and I'm excited to be looking at the higher goal of things in life here for reaching a state of more bliss, happiness, and peace within my own life. And then hopefully I can impart that upon you so that you too can find the same thing. I think that's ultimately our goal, is to be more spiritually connected and in line with what our true path and goal here is on earth. And I'm excited to be exploring that here. And what else? We've done the Shat Karma, which is the cleansing, where you do the neti pot through the nose, as well as the rubber tube in your nose and out your throat, as well as vomiting. And some of these, at first I was so scared, and the second week I did them with a little bit more ease and grace. So it's been a journey. We did have a little bit of, I mean, it's a lot of people in this group. I think there's 13 people. So there's different voices, different opinions. And without the Swami here, sometimes if they give an option for choice, it can cause discord within or disharmony within the group, as just like if you were to ask what kind of ice cream you want, maybe we all will elicit a different flavor. So it's just kind of a quick update this week, I guess. I'm treading along on course, on glide path, as Gerald would say. Everything's going really well, and 2 weeks left, and I'll give you an update here in the third week, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. I send you all love, light, and lots of joy. Today I'm going to go learn how to make some local recipes. So I got invited by one of the restaurant owners to cook and to learn in his very own kitchen in the restaurant, so I'm super excited, and I hopefully I'll be able to share that with you as well. So I'm going to ask him, and then we can learn some yummy Indian recipes. So I can't wait. I mean, I love the chai. I love the chapati, which is the yummy bread. And I love all the curry dishes here as well. Anyways, I send you my love. I send you my light. I send you deep peace, perfect peace, and so much abundance and blessings. And I just, so much love and appreciation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And so far my experience in India is fantastic. The people are amazing. The food is amazing. The vibe is amazing. And I highly recommend it if you get the opportunity to fulfill your dreams and come here yourself. So thank you so much. Namaste. Blessings. Sending lots of love. Please go to artisticvegan.com to get vegan recipes, and kristajclark.com to learn more about my yoga offerings. I have free yoga classes on YouTube as of now, and I feel they'll only get better from here. So at least I hope so. Without ego, just with more knowledge and understanding. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. If I don't respond right away, no hard feelings. I will do my best to respond to you soon. So love you. Take care. Bye.